Hello guys, here will be the instruction how to create the translation, the student guidebooks or textbooks from English to Russian and Uzbek languages. First we need go to cloud, go to projects and press button create new project. Then we put the name and press the create project button. Then we go to the zip archive file and we need to upload to our project the file AI enhanced translators triangle. Here we click this button with drag and drop to the project and it will appear on our project. Here will be around 100 pages detailed instruction created and provided by Professor Said Gulyamov. Then we need to open our textbook or our student guidebook. For example, here we have digital insurance law. We should go to our chapter that we want to translate and we need to save our chapter. We should select our chapter, fully text, open new document and paste all chapter to the new file. Then we should save our chapter to our folder. For example, I have the folder this file, and if we want to translate first chapter, we should say first. If second, third, etc., we must do the same doings. Then we drag and drop first chapter to our project. Then we go to archive zip, and if we want to translate to Russian, we open this file. If we want to translate to Uzbek, we open this file. For example, we want to translate to Russian. We open this file, Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Main parts in this prompt, it will do audit himself, then he will start to translate our part, and it will work on the artifact. Also, for example, if we have this first chapter, this writings should be written to first chapter as we have in the project. Then we go again to the first chapter and select just 1.1 part and paste to this. And here we go and press the button start. As we can see, it will analyze the instructions and he will create the detailed plan for himself with audit parameters, and also he will create the artifact in Russian language. In our main task in this period to check if he will mark as bold this text. For example, we have electronic data processing, and he will be электронной обработки данных. Then we can see regulatory adaptation, регулятивные адаптации, and each word should accomplish to each other and should be translated in right form. For example, we can check with starting phrases, for example, insurance digitalization transformation and трансформация цифровизации страхования. Then we can check, for example, middle part, for example, this part, as we can see, and also this part, etc. When we end to check this part, we can go to 1.2. Then we select this part, copy and paste, then we go to our main prompt, Ctrl V and start again. As we can see, for each chapter we can do 5 prompts. It means for all book it will around 52 prompts, or better to say doings for extraction. Also we can see the pluses of this translation, that he will continue the file as artifact, and at last we can copy our file, and all that we should do to check the bold parts. For example, 1.4 regulatory fragmentation. I will wait this phrase. It is. Then we going to next part, and we can create for each chapter, and that is for one language. Go for second language. We go to our project, we go to zip file, we open main prompt in Uzbek language, and we should do one more time 1.1 and paste to the cloud. Then we press start, and it will do the same but in Uzbek language. Here we see drafting the artifact. We can see that it working in Uzbek language too. we see he's writing well. That way, for us creating next time, next part, also going this. That's all, we are waiting. We are waiting. If he gonna write next part without our connected 1.1 file, we can press stop, then we can put 1.2 and check and click the start, and he will write in the artifact from 1.2 but in more corrected version, because he has the updated context window, not window, context. Then we should do the same work for another parts. That's all for the translating part.